How to turn on or turn off Gaming Hub notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Gaming Hub app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Gaming Hub settings, scroll down and click on notifications. Now in Gaming Hub notifications, so if you want to turn on or turn off Gaming Hub notifications, so you will say, so if you want to turn off Gaming Hub notification, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see Gaming Hub notification is turned off. So if you want to turn on Gaming Hub notifications, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see Gaming Hub notification is turned on. So you will turn on or turn off Gaming Hub notification from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Gaming Hub notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.